miles south of Abilene.
American 2815, Memphis Center's offline, radar service terminated, frequency change approved.
Back to advisory 2815, we'll see.
Pakistani 724 Center, radar contact as reported, flight level 310. November 7 Tango Tango, radar contact, say altitude.
Passing 2,700, 7 Tango Tango.
7 Tango Tango, roger, turn left direct Thor, climb and maintain, flight level 310.
Left direct Thor, and can you say that flight level again for 7 Tango Tango?
Up to flight level 310.
Going up to 3 flight level 310, 7 Tango Tango.
Control Center, good day, Southwest 1548, Dallas Love, clearance to Burbank.
Calling for clearance to Love Field, on request standby, I'll send you a PDC. American 1890 flighting 150, join the 17 Center localizer.
150, join localizer, American 1890.
Good afternoon, everyone. We would like to welcome
5 Uniform Alpha, holding short runway 18.
1548.
Hey, Uniform Alpha, on course approved, runway 18 clear for takeoff.
More than ever, we'd like to thank you.
Takeoff runway 18 on course, 5 Uniform Alpha.
Shortly after takeoff, we will serve complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Beer, wine, and liquor are also available for purchase.
7 Tango Tango, proceed direct Zalia.
There is a beverage menu in your seat
Direct
back
Zalia,
pocket
7 Tango
or you
Tango.
Go to the Southwest beverage menu on the in-flight entertainment portal at southwestwifi.com, where these options are displayed. This aircraft is Wi-Fi equipped. We hope you enjoy our...
American 1898, descend and maintain 3, correction, American 1890, descend and maintain 3000, the field's at your 1 o'clock and 14 miles.
Down at 3000, got it inside 1890.
American 1890, roger, cleared visual approach, runway 17 Center, contact DFW Tower 126.55.
Clear the visual, 17 Center, Tower 26.5.
Tablets may be used in airplane mode during all phases of flight. Cellular functions must be turned off once the forward entry door is closed. If you are in an emergency exit seat, please review the safety information card in the seat back pocket nearest you. If you do not meet all of the selection criteria on the card, are unable to perform the functions, or believe that performing those functions may cause you harm, please let us know right now so we can reseat you. So that we may push back from the gate, please fasten your seatbelt, raise your seat back, and tray cable to the full upright and locked position, and make sure...
Forward Center, good afternoon, Southwest 302 with you at 36,000 feet, just about to enter your airspace, and going to need a squawk code so you can see me. Southwest 302.
If you wish to use them after takeoff, please stow them under the seat in front of you. Thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome aboard.
I'm not getting any sort of flight plan when I try and pull up Southwest 302.
Okay, I had a problem with it in the FMC. You should have it. It should be on VATSIM. Not sure what to do here. Coming in via need and dry 2 for a runway 13 left at Love Field, Southwest 302.
Southwest 302, roger, stand by 1 second. What's your aircraft type and, yeah, what's your aircraft type?
Yeah, Bravo 737, I'm not sure why you're not seeing the flight plan. It did go in and it came up. Yeah, sorry about that. Would you like for me to just vacate VATSIM for now?
No, that's fine, I'll type one up for you. Southwest 0302, I didn't. I found the problem. It's because I was looking for Southwest 302 because that's what you called as, but you're connected as 0302.
Oh, sorry about that, brother. My bad. Yeah. Okay, we'll go with 0302.
Yeah, for future reference, if you're flying a call sign that's like 302, it doesn't have any sort of leading zero in the call sign. Squawk 2404.
Okay, we'll squawk 2404, Southwest 0302. Okay, Center, you should have Southwest 0302 2404 on the ident.
South 0302, radar contact 15 miles northeast of Gooch Springs, flight level 310, descend via dry 2 arrival. Actually, are you able to switch to the Bocker 4 arrival?
Let me check and see. I'm at 29,600 right now, standby. You want me on Bocker 4, was it? I'm sorry.
Affirmative.
Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
Yeah, okay, we'll go with Bocker 4 then, Southwest 0302.
Southwest 0302, thanks. Descend via Bocker 4 arrival, love altimeter 2986.
2986 and descend via Bocker 4, Southwest 0302.
Locking gear. Release parking brakes, please.
American 2066, would you prefer runway 18 right or 17 center?
All clear. Start at will.
American 2066, roger, expect vectors, visual approach 18 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we could have your attention for just a moment. We'd like to point out the safety features of the Boeing 737-700. A safety information card is in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it any time you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts. 1 life raft is located in the forward ceiling compartment and 2 life rafts are located in the ceiling compartments at mid-cabin. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card.
Please set
Place
parking
the vest
brake.
over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red
Cockpit to
tab
ground.
and inflate
We
the
have a
vest.
good engine start.
Manually
You can
inflate
disconnect.
and blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests as needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and your carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area from the seat clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight.
Right, from Alpha, 5 miles east of the Hidden Valley Airport, we're looking for a landing runway 17.
Placards and crew member instructions.
5 Uniform Alpha, which airport were you calling to land at?
The Hidden Valley Airport, 5 Tango X-Ray 0.
Overhead.
Hey, Uniform Alpha, that airport's uncontrolled. Your frequency change is approved.
Frequency change approved, I've been Alpha.
Bypass pin removed.
Normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
Plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put it on your mask first. Please remove any face coverings before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 3 hours and 30 minutes flight to Burbank. Welcome aboard.
American 2066, when able, direct a chart, descend and maintain 6,000. Sorry, wrong fix, direct to Legray.
For taxi checklist. United is on, self position of one auto, and distributes the keys, refill, check, refer gear, confirm your light, change step level, select account, double check. Proposed center set as 1548, call for taxi.
Southwest 1548, runway 13 left taxi via Mike.
Runway 13 left via Mike.
American 2066, descend and maintain 3,000. The field's at your 1 o'clock and 20 miles. American 2066, roger. Cleared visual approach, runway 18 right. Contact DFW Tower 124.15. Southwest 0302, you can plan the visual runway 13 left unless you'd like something else.
Okay.
No, that's fine. We'll continue in and 13 left on the visual. Southwest 0302, thank you.
Proposed center, Southwest 1548, 13 left, ready.
Southwest 1548, roger. Runway 13 left, clear for takeoff.
13 left, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1548.
Southwest 1548, radar contact, say altitude.
Leaving Nanoranda.
Southwest 1548, roger. Climb and maintain, flight level 320.
Climb maintain 320, Southwest 1548.
Piney Woods 104, proceed direct Victory, cross Victory at and maintain 6,000. Direct Victory, we'll cross Victory 6,000, Piney Woods 104. Southwest 1548, proceed direct row.
Direct row, Southwest 1548.
Forward Center, good afternoon, American 963. We are 50 miles northeast of the Texarkana VOR flight level 360.
American 963, Forward Center, radar contact, good afternoon.
Fort Worth Center, good afternoon. Skyhawk 96907 Victor is on the ramp at Waco. Request VFR flight following to Dallas Fort Worth International filed.
Number 906-907 Victor, Fort Worth Center, roger. What's your aircraft type and altitude requested?
We're in a Skyhawk 172, correction 152 and 3,500 is the request altitude. 97 Victor.
97 Victor, roger. And you wanted to go to DFW, correct?
Correct.
Roger. Number 9697 Victor, Squawk 5325, departure is my frequency.
Squawk 5325, your frequency for departure.
In a few moments we will be coming through to take your drink order. We will be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Beer, wine, and liquor are available for purchase or with a valid drink coupon. There is a beverage menu in your seat back pocket, or you may go to the Southwest beverage menu on the in-flight entertainment portal southwestwifi.com where these options are displayed. Please be mindful of the flight attendant serving you in the aisle and remain seated while the passing seatbelt sign is on. We have lavatories in the front and back of the aircraft. The sign on the ceiling indicates whether the lavatory is occupied. Please do not form a line at the forward lavatory. Your safety will always be our #1 priority, so please don't hesitate to let us know if you have other needs we can take care of.
American 963, proceed direct window.
Correct window, American 963. Center Southwest 0302 just had something interesting happen in my FMC, so I'm going to need vectors, it looks like.
South 0302, roger. For now, fly heading 320. South 0320,
Southwest
3000.
0302.
Southwest 0302, descend and maintain 3000.
Yeah, my airplane just went wonky here. Stand by, Southwest 0302. What was the heading again? I'm sorry.
South 0302, roger. When able, descend and maintain 3000.
Fort Worth Center, bearing 424 Delta Papa.
424 Delta Papa, Fort Worth Center. Sorry, 424 Delta Papa, Fort Worth Center, I stepped down, you say again?
424 Delta Papa on a VFR departure to the west out of Hidden Valley.
Number 424 Delta Papa, roger. You're requesting flight following?
April.
4 Delta Papa, roger. What's your destination, aircraft type, and altitude requested?
Alliance Airport, 2,500 feet, and Beechcraft bearing 58.
Number 424 Delta Papa, squawk 3066.
3066, 424 Delta Papa.
Center Southwest 0302, can you give me that heading again, please, sir?
Southwest 0302, turn left heading 310.
310, Southwest 0302.
Number 424 Delta Papa, radar contact 10 miles northeast of Alliance 2500, maintain VFR, regional altimeter 2984.
Maintain VFR, 424 Delta Papa.
Center 1 and 58 Uniform Alpha with you on the coming out of Hidden Valley Airport, VFR departure to the west.
Number 58 Uniform Alpha, 4 Center, roger. Are you calling for flight following?
Negative, we just want VFR departure to the west.
Hey, Uniform Alpha, roger. That airspace is uncontrolled down there. There's no tower at that airport. Your frequency change is approved.
Frequency change approved, 58 Uniform Alpha.
Number 4 Delta Pop, enter left base runway 16 left.
16 left base, 4 Delta Papa.
Piney Woods 104, expect runway 13 right in the DFW unless you'd like something different.
Yeah, we can take 18 right or 17 center. We'll plan to exit off at Yankee or Zulu, taxi over to corporate aviation.
Piney Woods 104, roger. Expect runway 18 right. You can, expect a visual approach 18 right.
We'll special approach 18 right, Piney Woods 104, thank you. Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 9697 Victor, holding short of 17 right on hotel, ready for departure.
Number 9697 Victor, roger. On course approved, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
On course approved, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff, 97 Victor.
Fort Worth Center, 42 Delta Papa, can we cancel flight following?
4 Delta Papa, roger. Radar service terminated, remain this frequency.
Remain this frequency, 42 Delta Papa.
And Fort Worth Center, American 5546 at Oklahoma City, ready taxi 17 left.
American 5546, runway 17 left, taxi via Echo.
Taxi via Echo to 17 left, American 5546.
Southwest 0302, turn left heading 170.
Left 170, Southwest 0.